All right, guys, welcome back. So today we are at Conkles Hollow. We are going to do the gorge trail. It's like a mile. It's an out and back. About 2/3 of it is paved, but there's a surprise at the end that makes it worthwhile going. So come along with us and check it out. So here at Conkles Hollow, you got two trails. You got the gorge trail, which is what we're on down here at the bottom. All the way around a loop on top is the rim trail. Gives you overlooks. It's pretty cool. You do have to be kind of safe up there. And you definitely don't want to have young kids that are not attached to you literally up there. It's not hard to walk off a cliff and drop 300 to 500 feet. But as we get farther back here, we'll be able to give you some shots of some rock faces from this side looking up, which is very pretty. Well, it must be really dry lately because it's not running really. There's a little bit of water dripping there, but there ain't much. It's one of those things where it's hit or miss. You come out here after good rain, it's pouring over there, giant falls. Today it's just dribbling down. Still nice to sit back here. It's nice and cool.
Still listening to the water falling.
Yep, water hitting the pool, water at the bottom. Watching the fish scurry around in it. It's probably 15, 20 degrees cooler back here than it is out in the sun.
Gives you a feeling back here that you're in the movie Journey to the Middle of the Earth, because it's like this is just tucked away from everything.
Yep, but it's very accessible too. It's not like you got to go through elevation climbs and stuff. Half mile in, half mile out.
So sadly the falls wasn't falling as rapidly as we had hoped today, but this is an absolute beautiful place. This is something that you should definitely put on your to-do list if you're coming down by the Hocking Hills. It's beautiful. It's a nice little short hike back, but we just want to say thank you for joining us, and we'll see you up the trail.